I chose to attend St. Francis is definitely because of the all-girl atmosphere. I love chatting at lunch with all my girlfriends and being in a safe environment at school.
My favorite part about St. Francis has to be the sisterhood and community. You can definitely find somebody for you as there are 70 different clubs. My favorite is DSU. That's where I met some of my best friends and lifelong sisters. I promise you, there's always going to be a place for you here at SF.
I come to work every day because the girls here, their enthusiasm for life is absolutely contagious. They keep me from becoming a dinosaur, and there's so much positivity that radiates out of this place.
Sisterhood here at St. Francis is pretty strong because I've made all of my best friends out here on the field.
Flag football is not only the best thing that has happened to me physically, but mentally. I have the best teammates, the best coaches, and I wouldn't want to spend my afternoons any other way.
The best part about playing volleyball for St. Francis is having a dance party in the locker room before games.
In my previous schooling, I never really did much of theater, so St. Francis is my first theater experience, and I just love making art with all these people who are so passionate. It's so beautiful.
What's special about working backstage at St. Francis is seeing all the kids come together and really take on roles and responsibilities that they've never really tried before.
I've been a college advisor here at St. Francis High School for over 25 years. And what I love best about my job is the opportunity to work with young women as they make one of the most important decisions of their lives, which is which college to attend.
My favorite part of working as a learning support specialist at St. Francis is helping students to identify their academic goals and giving them the skills and strategies they need to achieve them.